Read and Write for Google is a powerful extension that helps students and adults read text through a text-to-speech feature within your Google Chrome bar. This video will show you how to get the extension Read and Write for Google in your toolbar. A later video will show you how to use it. So the first thing you want to do in order to procure any app or extension is to create and open your Chrome or Google account. And when you do, your home page will look a little like this, and you can just literally select the icon on the left top corner and it will launch the page that looks similar to mine. And you need to do this in order to get to the web store, which is how you purchase extensions and apps. So I'm going to select the icon that says web store. And you're now in the search bar to procure any extension or app that you want. You can also go into the web store by just entering the term web store in your search engine or your search bar, and it will take you essentially to the same place. And again, I'm looking to add the extension Read and Write for Google, so I simply enter the term Read and Write for Google. And it predicts what I want to say, so that's exactly what I wanted, Read and Write. I'm going to select it. It takes a minute and it pops up. And now you see the apps or extensions that are available that have a similar name to the one you entered in the search bar. On the right hand side it says Add to Chrome. So again, at the top are the apps, at the bottom are the extensions, and I see the one I want, Read and Write for Google, is down there, and I do want the extension, so I'm going to come down, and in a second I'm going to select Add to Chrome. But I did want to point out that this option turns green, the words change to rated, when you already have the extension on your toolbar. But I don't as of yet, so I'm going to say select or Add to Chrome. It's checking, and I'll say Add. And it adds it pretty quickly. So now it knows it's been added to my toolbar, and you can see up here in the gray that I now have an extra icon in my toolbar. So I'm going to X out of this and it goes away. So never fear, I'm going to go back to my home page and I'm going to select a document. And it's going to take a minute, but there it is right again in the toolbar. But when I actually open a document, it appears in a second underneath as a tab that drops down, and I can select it and start reading. So I'm just going to wait a second. There it is. I'm going to select it, and now we can start using this tool to read text from a Google Doc or indeed the internet. So again, a later video will show us how to use the app for these purposes.